Alrighty, we are live and ready to rock and roll. Let's go look at our newest signal here. We're going to go with a no on that one. This is really weird, actually. Why are we? I'm going to switch. All right, let's do that. Okay, we're going to use the NQ signals again today instead of the MNQ. I'll adjust with that later. Make sure that's all correct. But we'll be on an MNQ chart and we will get to getting some trades going here. Let's get that here. Actually, that probably wasn't that bad of a signal, to be honest with you. Okay. We'll flip it around. That's fine. All right. So let's go here. Turn you on. Turn that. Active. Okay, we'll get a signal here in the next 30 seconds. See if we can get the link sent out before that. Why would you be scared? Stupid thing. Okay. Happy to have all you guys in the chat already. Let's get this sent to the Instagram. We'll be, well, like we're going to beat the signal here. Okay, new signal comes and we have a long prediction here. Let's go ahead and take that. We'll go buy 4 right there. Move our stop, make it like right in there. Let's see if we can get price to run. We're really behind on this signal considering it opened up and just started scorching. So let's see if we can get price to extend a little higher. And if we can, we'll set our stop and we'll get to going here. Nope, not yet. Okay. This was a really good signal. We just were not able to capture it in time. Ideally we would like to be in this trade at the open or close to it, but not able to capture it there. Stop might get hit here. Yeah. All right. Tough start to the day as we were late to that signal. That was, well, we'll wait to see what that signal ends up being. But actually, it was a pretty good signal, to be honest with you. Let's go here. Price ran up 37 points, 35 points. We were just late to it. So we ideally would like to be kind of right there with it. Well, I'll work on that. Probably do some screen time stuff. But this is going to be a good signal considering price ran up 37 points. So good stuff there. We just missed it. So we'll try to play catch up here a little bit. Yo, what's going on, everybody? One Eye, Ron, PF, Rami, out. Yes, PF, I will. I will go over exactly what's going on. So we are having ChatGPT give us signals to day trade, and we get a new signal every 2 minutes. And so the signal comes in with the asset, the direction, which is this up arrow or red down arrow, and then a confidence score. The higher the score today, this will be true. The more confident the AI is, ChatGPT specifically, that this thing is going to move in a certain direction. So we've got a down signal here. Okay, this one's tricky. I'm gonna go ahead and sell that. We have a sell signal, so let's go ahead and implement that. Put my stop kind of right here at this previous candle high. Let's see how this one fares out for us. But every 2 minutes, we're going to get a signal. And then we can trade those signals if we like the confidence score, or we can skip them if we don't like it, or don't like the trade at all. Turns out I might not be liking this trade so far. Let's see what we got. ATR is super high. Probably should be in 3 contracts, not 4, but we'll live with it. Okay. Price moving a little bit. So we get, let's see if price can not hit our stop here for just a second. We get an MNQ, so micro, NQ signal, the confidence score of 75. And so we're looking at that and thinking, okay, AI likes this position to go short, no problem. Now let's see if this thing comes true. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, it is what it is. We'll keep learning. Now the idea is to get as many trades in as we can. Me personally, okay, stock got hit there. Oof, that was a quick one. We'll keep it at 4. It's fine. Bad signal there. And then I will rank these trades or these signals as good or bad. And then that will allow the AI to learn from its results. We're just a little late on some of these trades, though, I think. I was late on that previous one. We should have won that one. And then this one was just a miss. Now trading at VWAP is going to be tough, but the AI actually knows where VWAP is. That's part of the signal. So shouldn't be too shocked by that. All right. So about 10 seconds here. So we'll be able to watch this one come in live. Then we'll take that trade. Tough start though. Okay. New signal right here, long. I'll go ahead and buy that. Oh shoot, I went in on 8 on this one, so whoops. This one's gonna have to be a little bit tighter because I actually accidentally purchased 8 instead of 4. My bad on that. Let's see if we can get price to run here. I'll keep my stop pretty tight because well, we're in a lot of contracts here. On accident. Oof. Price reversing. Tough morning so far. Let's see if we can get price to cooperate a little bit. Okay. Nothing shaking just yet. What does price want to do here? Let's see. Probably hit our stop, if I had to guess. Yeah. Oh, only 4 got hit. Shit. Whoops. All right. So we are getting crushed in this account currently. Bad signal there. My MNQs have been off. It's no fun. All right, another 30 seconds here. We'll get the next signal. Yo, Krishna, Deelu, what's going on? David, what's popping? DJ, it's not available just yet. So keeping it just tucked away for now. Got to work on some things apparently. Let's see what our next signal is here, and we'll take that trade. I assume it's going to be a short. Now let's see how confident it is. Okay, so no. So sometimes it will give us kind of a neutral signal here, as in it's not really sure. And so for these, I mark these as no, but it's basically like I'm not sure which way price is going to go. And so we'll just kind of sit here and wait. Obviously, a short would have been a nice trade for this one, but that's all right. I'm wondering if I'm going to try something here. 2 minute, okay. I'm wondering if just the NQ data is just better. So yesterday I was able to pass on those Apex evals in 30 minutes, and it really wasn't that big of a deal. Price was less choppy than it was right now, but I was using NQ, trading on MNQ, same thing as yesterday. I'm wondering if the data on NQ is just, there's just more of it, gives more insight. So we're gonna find out here. We'll have to wait another minute for a signal, but this would have been a nice short signal. At least, well, let's find out. Price opened here, ran up, that's 14 points, and it ran down 20. So yeah, that was a good signal. Ran down 20 points, that's pretty good. That'd have been a good short. All right, we got a battle pack here. Got to do some battling. But the idea is to continue working on this bad boy so that we get really nice and accurate signals that we can rely on and take in quantity. So let's go here. All right, trading around VWAP is just going to be tough. It's just going to be tough. It's fine. So we need to squeeze out as much profit as we can for some of these trades, and then ideally we just wait for price to make a new move, one way or the other. So let's see if we get a short signal here. Okay, short, good. Go sell right there. Now, not a whole, unfortunately, because this trade moves so fast, we're not really able to get the spot that I want. So let's see if price can run for us or hit our stop. Move my stop up a little, not a lot though. Tough. Fuck. So we got into these, we just missed these spots. It's moving way too fast for us. 18 points or 17 points versus 26 and counting. Tough. So that's a bad one. Huh. Okay. Well, we'll keep testing. So part of this, in coming, very near, what I'll do is just probably have it side by side. So we'll have both sides are to one link with the actual signals, and then we'll have the chart, so we won't have to flip back and forth. But what is happening is these trades are moving so fast that getting into them is just very difficult. Well, we'll see. Let's see what we got. We'll do one more 2-minute, and then maybe we can go to 1 minute. We'll try that. But it's really important that we get a ton of data here so that AI can train itself on our results, good or bad. Doesn't really matter, actually. But let's see. We've got how much room in this account? We don't have a. We've got like $300, $240 a room. So we got to be pretty accurate on this next trade here. If not, we'll just start a new one. Not a big deal, but all right. So price dancing at VWAP. I'm actually very curious to know what the AI thinks of this. Okay. Signals are typically 1 to 4 seconds behind, so long is what we're thinking here. I'll go buy right there. Okay, let's see. Stop. Whoa, we're gonna have to let this trade play out because I don't know if I have enough room for another trade. Okay, let's see. See if price can get to even and run for us. Okay. There we go. There's some movement. Good signal. Okay, what, $80 on that one. Got a little bit more room to go. Okay. Let me try this. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of this, but let's see if we can. So flip this to 1 second. I'm gonna change it to every 1 minute. Let's see if that makes a difference or if I like what I'm seeing. So let me pause this one. Go to, give me 1 second here. Got a feeling that this could be beneficial for us. Let's see. Okay. 1 minute. Boom, boom, boom. All right. It is active. Let's go here, here, and here. All right, new signal coming. We're just going to get a new signal every minute. Let's see how that works for us. I'm nervous to do this because I think I need to jump into a new account here. 1 second. All right. I'm nervous to do this because I'm pretty sure that all of these signals might come in a little too fast. All right, so short, sell. Oh, man, if I got in at the bottom of that one again, that's going to be really annoying. All right, let's see. If it goes red a certain amount, probably somewhere in here, I'll trail it. Okay. New signal. So we're still in this trade, so let's just continue to trail it. Here we go. Good. Much better start. Okay, 113 on that one. So sell signals for both of these. Both are good. All right. And we're going to get a new signal here in about 30 seconds. So the first one was tough because price did actually go down, but it continued the trend down. So I'm not too upset about that. The second one was much better. This candle here was a lot better than the previous. So we'll take both of those. Okay. All right. See what we got. How much delay is there in the signal? Ron, well, you're going to see it right here. But typically, let's see, a couple seconds, 2 seconds. All right, so this one has less confidence that this one's going to be accurate. So I'll skip this one for now. There's typically about 2 seconds, and here's the delay right here. Now, this is the virtual server's time. So it's 6 hours ahead. So I think we had one signal that was really delayed. Let me see if I can find it. But for the most part, we're seeing, so here's like 10 seconds, 8 seconds at the most. Looks like, here we go, 22 seconds. This one was super late. So we would just skip that. But for the most part, a couple seconds. So this one was 2 seconds. And that one was actually a really good signal. Holy cow. So that one we would call good. I didn't take it, but we would call that one good. All right. New signal coming. The only reason I keep TradingView up is because I can see the time and when I'm going to get a new signal. I guess I could just wear a watch, but. All right, so new signal here. Let's see what we got. Short. Go ahead and sell right there. Stop. And ready to trail. Almost. There we go. Make a little bit of money on that one. Not much, but a little bit. Good signal there. Probably could have given this one a little bit more room. Let's see what would have happened had we done that. I don't know if much was shaken here. But so confidence score 78, confidence score 75, really good trades here. This one was actually decent, didn't give us the best score. And this one had a little bit more confidence than the previous, but still wasn't as high as the previous. So in that trade, it looks like that candle specifically. Okay, so same confidence score here. Let's see. I want to take a sell off of this, but I'll wait. I'll go sell right there. That's fine. Stop. Probably could have got into that a little sooner or waited a little bit longer, one of the two. Put it at candle high for now. Let's see if this one gets touched. Nice. Can it run is the question. Yes. Fantastic. Okay. Good, good. Good signal here. All right, another 150 on that one, or just shy of. All right, new signal should be coming here pretty soon. Short. What does AI think? Less confident. Okay, so we'll wait for this one. Kind of same thing as before. Or you stopwatch. Do you have Windows 11, Ron? No. This is a Mac. I could on Parallels, I guess. Does it give you stop loss? Golden, good question. No. So I'm tinkering with that. It's a good signal. Damn, it's a really good signal. Let's see. But it's a really good signal. Okay. That's nice. That's the best signal of the whole thing. Wow. Wow. All right. So now I'm curious how. So price bottomed here recently, at least. Big wick. Maybe we have right here. I'm gonna see how AI handles this candle. How does it treat it? Is this going to be an aggressive sell, as in we're going to keep going, or does it think that we're maybe going to pause and turn around? Let's find out. Confidence score coming now, 75. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to go sell right there with the stop, and I'll put the stop kind of right above this previous wick. Wow. Okay. Fine. I'll keep it. Okay, couple like 40 bucks there. Not the best signal in the world. Let's see. The first 30 seconds weren't great. Let's see how this thing wants to handle it. Okay, so I'm going to call this one a bad signal. So a little overzealous here. Not should have been more confident here. Too confident here. That's fine. New signal coming in the next couple seconds here. Now let's see how price wants to handle this. Are we going to go long off of this? Or are we going to continue with the short? Let's find out. Short, but no confidence. 62%. Now this is, wow, this is different than yesterday where we had a bunch of different confidence scores just all over the place. And they weren't really like, they didn't make any sense. We'd have high scores that were bad signals and low scores that were good signals. After we got done with the live, I was able to update and get more data sent to ChatGPT. And so we got signals that our signals upgraded to the point where the higher the score, the more confident, more likely. The lower the score, the less likely. And so this 62% is a pretty weak signal, but price went the opposite way. So that makes sense. 9 seconds here. Okay, now does price want to go long off of this? Let's find out. Or does the AI want to go long off of this? New signal coming. Short again. All right. So we're going to wait. Not that I don't think price isn't going to come down. I just am not sure I want to be in front of this trade. So we'll wait for this one as well. Or stopwatch. G-Man, you are correct. I could do that as well. I could do that as well. Anyway. All right, let's see. I guess technically this signal is correct. Price did move down. I mean, that's a fire signal. I just was not confident in it. Okay. Now we're starting to build back up here. What does the AI think? I think it likes big candles, and I don't know if I do. 25, short. That's a huge confidence score. Wow. So let's just see how this one bears out. 85 is the highest I've seen live. Okay. What does price want to do here? Ready to come down or what? No? Okay, new confidence score. Oh, we'll have to trail this one first. Nice. Like 40 bucks on that one. What was that score? So that one was bad. This one was less confident. Let's find out how this whole thing turns around. So that's okay. So if I'm ranking these signals, if we're getting one every minute, and the assumption is we're going to scout these, this is 21 points. This is 13 points. So unless this candle jumps up here, this is a successful signal because price ran as far as it did. So that one's actually a good one. Let's wait for the next one to come through. Okay, signal says short. Let's go sell right there. Decent spot. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop right there. I'm not gonna be ultra aggressive with this thing. Nice. Okay, so another small trade, nothing to really write home about. Probably didn't give this one enough room, but you see how fast price is moving. Let's go here. And the ATR is at 36. That is just insane. Good signal there. Next one. Short. Didn't get it. Well, maybe I have a chance. Had a chance. Ah, man, we had a chance on that one, I think. When it went green, we had a chance to just punch that sell really fast. Okay, that one's pretty much over, but a good signal here so far. Good signal, good signal. Okay, bad signal, good signal. All right. Let's see. 13 points down. This thing we need to get up to here for it to be a bad signal to me. And there it goes. All right, so bad signal there. 9 seconds. Kind of like the 1 minute chart, not necessarily for the tonnage of trades, but just the ability to mark these as good or bad. Let's see, what does price want to do here? Short again. Wow. I'll take a sell on that. Let's see if I can get price to pull back and run down a little bit. Okay, we're gonna guaranteed make money. Good. Here we go. Nice. Okay, we got out of that one. 50 bucks there. Okay, not the smoothest of trades, and this is definitely going to be a bad signal. But price ran up so fast that it was worth kind of exploring what that trade could be. Damn, that I don't want a ton of drawdown either. So it was in profit for, well, it's going to maybe go a little lower, but 2.5 points. It pulled back 21 points. So that's always going to be a bad signal. Like, doesn't matter what happens here. If we have to deal with 21 points of drawdown every minute, that would not be fun. So it can be very rigid on my scoring of these. And the reason for it is I want the machine learning to give me the best signals possible. So short again. Oh man, we missed this one again, didn't we? Let's go. You can go sell right there. Bit of a misfire on my entry, but it's okay. See, nice. Out. Okay. Small amount there. I might have broken even on that one. Okay, can't see my results. Whatever. All right. 30 seconds here. So we got a short. How do I want to score this? And again, we probably won't do, so 8 points down to 17. That's pretty good. That's a good signal. Let's see what we got here. Unless this thing goes up to like right here. We'll call that one good. Solid. Not seeing any, we're going to get rid of this graph too, by the way. Like that won't be there. New signal coming. Okay, a couple seconds. Short. A little less confident. I'm not going to take this one, so we'll wait. Since we were trading mania, why not use predictive indicator to further confirmation? Ron, what I really want to do is just use like the signals themselves, and that's it, because they should be good enough. And to tell you the truth, some of what the predictive model is sent to GPT as well. Like it is. Some of that stuff is in there. So I want to make sure that we just trade these signals right now, because they should be good enough, in my opinion, or accurate enough that we don't need anything else to trade. We just need these signals, and that would be it. If we can get to that point, then, well, you can have a pretty naked chart, kind of like I have right now, and have success. Next trade here. Long. Well, that's interesting. Long. Stop goes right here. Let's see, can price erupt off this or no? Nice. Good, couple bucks there. Not a ton, and then we're not trading a ton of contracts either. But what's my ATR sitting at? ATR really jumped off a cliff. Okay, that's a good signal. Marked as good. Nice. Three, two, one. New signal here. I'm assuming long again. Short. Wow. Okay. Wow. Did not anticipate a short coming there. Took an L on that one. Yeah, that's a bad signal. Ah, okay. All right. It's a blowout. I guess this candle finishing red kind of jumped it off or set it off. That should be a okay. So we definitely made a bottom here. Got resistance up here. I know GPT knows that. So let's see how it wants to with these huge wicks. This is where it gets tricky. I'm interested to see how it handles that. Long with a little bit less confidence. So I'll buy that right there. Stop. And we'll put that right there. I want to put my stop above even, but it keeps jumping and touching it. Come on. Okay, I'll put it there. Good. Another small victory. Not excited about the small ones, but better than nothing, I guess. Um, I don't love that signal. No, I'm going no. Short. Okay. If this thing gets green, I'll take it. Stop up here. Tight stop on this one. All right. Small loss there. Nope. Hmm. I'm assuming I get a long here. Hey, long. Go buy right there. That's a good entry. If this thing is an L, it's an L, but that was a good entry. Oh, wow. I had a chance to actually be profitable on that one, and we were not able to. Mine 25. Yeah, let's go here. 17 trades. Okay. Let's move this back. So 1 minute's fine. I don't have a problem with it. We've had some success with it. Let's go back to the 2 minute and just see how this one fares out for us. So I have to go ahead and skip this. Well, yeah, we won't get a signal right now. Let's go back here. So that one was bad at 36. Bad. Back to the 2 minute here. Let's just see. So we're at price to open up a little bit, which is good. Now the question just becomes, okay, how do we want to handle these? But so far, it's not bad. Yes, golden is possible. It is possible. So it goes off of basically a ton of different parameters, one, and then two, after we get a few thousand trades under our belt, we'll then have the machine learning kick in. So you'll have time of day, trade direction, trade type, asset type, all of the previous data. And then the rankings of are these good signals or bad signals? So all of that will lead to machine learning. So do I think AI is possible to give good signals? Yeah, I do. I do. But the markets aren't like, markets are tricky too. So let's see what we got here. Short signal here. Okay. I don't believe in that one. I don't believe in this one at all. I feel like my 2-minute signals are just like the opposite of what they should be. I can't really explain it, but they feel opposite. So weird. I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm not gonna even fuck with that. How would you go short and have high confidence on that? That's crazy. Long? Let's go buy right there. Stop. Good. Solid trade there. Okay. Probably one of our better ones. Yeah, I guess the 1 minute is just a much better indicator of what price is going to do here. Wait a few seconds and we'll go for another trade. Okay. New signal says flat. Oh, interesting. Okay. Now, again, I rank these as bad because I want ChatGPT to at least give me a direction, but it wasn't confident, so it gave me a neutral. A lot of different pieces of data, a lot, like a ton. Volume is one, obviously direction is another, view apps on there. There are a ton. What's really difficult to figure out which pieces of data are the most effective and which ones are the least effective. So that's kind of a learning process, but I think I've got a pretty good grasp on the data that I'm getting. I think I like what I'm getting so far. So now I'm wondering if there's a component of this where just in the mornings with how shaky price can be, if there is a chance for us to maybe like bring down some of the confidence scores just because we know what price could do. So we have a sell signal here. Oh man, okay, that could be a good one. I'll take a short if it goes green again. Sell, the stop up here. We're gonna lose out on commissions if that gets hit, but that's okay. All right. Kind of a dud. Let's see. From open to here was not 7 points. That was 6 points. So let's see what this candle does. I don't know if I want to mark it as a good or bad one just yet. Bad. Okay, good. Get cleared and defined. Good. All right. New signal coming. Long. Okay. Let's go buy right there. Stop down here. That's an aggressive move right here. Let's see if price can reverse that for us. Wow. Bad. Okay. Hmm. Ooh, it's a nice little move though. Good grief. Top to bottom of this candle's 50 points. Super solid. All right, now how does price want to, or how does the AI want to handle this here? See, we got new signal says short. Go sell right there with our stop up here. We got a pretty good fill on this one. I don't know if it's going to matter or not, but let's see. Okay. Oof. Didn't matter at all. Damn. All right, we're getting chopped up here. Bad signal there. But this is good. We're getting learning experience, both me and this AI. So let's see. I just think that trading around VWAP is just very tough for this thing overall, which it's tough for anybody. All right. Let's keep it going. New signal coming in 4, 3, 2, 1. Short, but not as confident. Well, I'll jump into this one. Let's just see what happens here. I want to trail it decently. Let's see if I can. Nah, small. Had a chance though. How much margin do I have? 900. Okay. All right. So I don't know how I want to score this one. Probably as a negative, huh? Negative. All right. All right. Trade, new trade here. Long. Interesting. Let's go buy right there. Stop. Good. Oh, wow. This thing is moving so fast. There we go. Okay, good little trade there. Price is just really, I mean, it is just moving so fast. Hard to trail some of these because the moves are so big. Price jumps so fast that we have just not a whole lot going on here. All right. Sitting back close to even, about 50 bucks out. Wait for price to calm down a little bit. New signal says price is going to go, okay, we're flat. All right. That would have been a nice little long. Okay. Well, I see why, but price ran up a ton of, I mean, that was just crazy. 26 points, and then it goes negative. Wow. This is always going to be like difficult to trade, like all of this. So it's really nice to get kind of our lumps and bruises in with this kind of price action. Because obviously when price does begin to open up, we'll have much smoother trades. But this is tough. All right, so new signal coming here. Long. Let's go buy right there with the stop up here. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, new signal here. Should be. Oh, this one's gonna be a little delayed. Oh shit. Short is what it's calling for. I'll take that. Ass fill, but I'll take that. That was really quick. Wow. Good signal there. I marked it bad already. Shoot. We're down now. What is going on with this? Let's see. 70%. Okay. We gotta take some better trades. 38, 39. So sell signal, I assume, is coming. This one was 8 seconds late. Let's see what this next one is. 65%. It was too late. But it's a good signal, though. It just came in way too late. Damn. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So, interesting so far, to say the least, at least. All right. New signal should be coming in like 10 seconds. Great. See how it handles this wick here. Another flat, huh? Okay. All right, I'll be right back. I can use the bathroom really quick, but I'll be right back. Let's see. I'll put the signals on so we can watch as they come in at least. 1 second here. All right. Another cell signal. Okay, let's see what that looks like right now. My previous one was pretty good. So yes to you. And we'll see about you. Ugh. Okay. So still some pretty high confidence scores, yet we don't have hmm. Okay. So long, but not ultra confident about it. I'll take it. So let's go long right there. Stop. Good. And can price just get above its previous? There we go. Good. Very nice. Okay. Really good trade there. Okay. So again, low confidence score. Really good trade though. I would assume I'm going to get another one of these here. Good trade. Flat. Okay, nothing. No reading. I'll leave it. All right. Doing all right here so far. Doing okay. First eval, we blew that one up. That was fun. Oh, that was a good, nice little long too, huh? This one we're above even. Choppiness really gets us, but see if we can have a much better late morning than we've had so far. Let's see. J55 should be coming here in a second. All right. New signal long. Go ahead and buy right there. That's a pretty decent fill. If we lose this trade, it won't be because. Holy cow. Wow. Okay, so our stop got hit down here. That I didn't even see that. Holy cow. So we'll have to call that one a bad signal, even though that I don't even. Wow. My bad, I guess. Didn't see that. All right. So am I like hallucinating? What? 96. It was 11 points. Okay. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. I did not expect that. I'll tell you that right now. That sucks. Put my stop a little bit too tight. Not that it would have made a huge difference, although we would be positive here. Um, so nothing there. Wow. Okay. I do like that we're getting some kind of just neutral signals. I don't mind that. Um, if especially if we have price not moving or we've got kind of indecision, I don't mind that at all. What I don't like is this one being 78%, but this one being 68, and this one was really good. And this one wasn't as good. So I don't love that, but okay. We'll deal with it, I guess. Now, heading towards VWAP always gets tricky because we have resistance up here at 434 and at 439, and the VWAP sits at 444 right now. So let's see what the ChatGPT wants to give us right here. Long? I'll take that. Put my stop. I always put my stop way lower in case price does move really fast. But I've never experienced what we had in that previous trade. That was crazy. I mean, price just launched down, and like we didn't even see the candle. Like it did just like that. Like what is going on here? If we get price to snap and go up even a bit over our entry, we need to place our stop there. Okay, good. We're locked in. Nice. Great. Holy cow. Awesome. Nice. Good trade there as well. I assume this previous one was a long signal. Let's see. Yep, good and good. Good stuff. Solid trade there. So again, my intention isn't to trade every minute, but my intention is to get as much data as I possibly can into the system so that we can enable this machine learning and really get things cracking here. All right, so I'm gonna be interested to see what the AI thinks of this one right here. Let's find out. Short. I don't like entering at this spot. The reason I don't like it is because it was already red. Now let's see if price can run for me. Nice. Wow, wow. Okay. Holy cow. Super solid trade there. Okay, really good signal there. Awesome signal there, honestly. New signal. Couple seconds delayed apparently. Short. All right, I'm not going to jump into that one. It's too far gone. Just gonna have to wait that one out. Damn, that was a good trade though. Leave it to me. So I think we probably missed out on 5 or 6 points, and it ran well a good 20 something. So that's solid start. Definitely would have could have used that. Let's see, another okay, new signal coming. I have a feeling it's going to be a short. Yep. Okay, I need to see price pull back here. Otherwise, I can't. I don't want to chase this. Previous signal was good though. Assuming you say the same, this one's pretty good too. So here's kind of a bottom we're seeing. Interesting. Okay, that's a great signal as well. Doesn't matter what happens from here. That's a good signal. We just weren't able to get into the trade fast enough. New signal coming. Short, but at 70%. Okay. If we get price to pop up here, like right there, I'd be okay with it. We'll kind of chill on this signal now for a second. See how price wants to move here. If we get a big pop, I can sell off that. I'll be wait. Let's look at our stats so far. Good signal there. 73% win rate, 34 trades. Okay. Okay. Uh, oh, fuck. Okay. New signal here says short as well. Oh, I don't know if I like that. So this signal previously was actually pretty good. This one is starting out not so good, but it could be good. I'll be right back. Wow, that's a nice little trade there, isn't it? What did the AI think, though, is the real question. Ooh, okay. All right, so previous candle was decent, was better than not, so I'll give that one a go. I'll give that a bad. Okay. We're starting to see GPT heat up a little bit. And the reason I think that is twofold. One is we don't have huge wicks on both ends of the candle. That's always going to be tough, especially when you're manually trading, number one. Number two is we got price to give us a little bit of spread out. So short, long, short, long, short. Anytime we get price looking like this, we should have higher scores and trades that we should be able to take. So that's positive. Let's see what comes of this here. Price is not willing to go lower than that 333 level. I think GPT wants to give me another short here, but I don't know if I'm gonna like it. New signal coming. Okay. Doesn't like it either. I'm with you. I'm with you. All right. So we've seen some good signals, some bad signals, some in between signals. It's been solid. We're at 75% win rate inside of this account. We sized properly this time. So that's good. Let's keep it rolling here. Okay. All right. I think we're gonna get another short, and I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, but let's see. Short, sell, stop, there. Kind of had a feeling on this one, so let's see. Kind of had that feeling. I'm going to trail this losing trade. Reason for it is I don't really want to wait for price to tell me that it can't go lower or higher. Holy cow. Well, that was insane. Small loss on that one. Damn, we had a chance to make that one pretty good. All right, so that one was bad. This one was actually decent. How big of a move was that? Let's see. All right, so that's a 68. That's what a 68% score should look like. 14 points versus 8, 10. I'm actually going to call that a good trade. Reason for it is we got 14 points of movement without any drawdown. I wasn't able to capture it because it moves so fast, but that is a decent trade though. All right, so next signal here. Let's see what we got. Okay, ChatGPT says short. I'm not a huge believer in it, so I'll wait. I'll wait for that one. There we go. It was correct. I was wrong and it was right. Shit. Let's keep going here. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys subscribe, of course, but also make sure you like the live stream. That helps as well. Always helps. And we should get another signal here in about 20 seconds. That was a good trade. So what needs to be worked on from here is just some of the symmetry of signals. So we get low confidence score trades that are decent at times and bad at times. We get higher confident. We had like an 80 something. That was just a bad trade. Like we got to get better at signaling. Okay, new trade here, short. Let's go sell right there. Stop down there. Okay. Small amount of change there. Nothing special about that. 6, 8. Good signal. How big was this candle right here? 33. All right. Size up a bit. New signal, flat. Okay, we'll wait for that one then. All right. So it looks like it should have gone short. Ooh, that'd have been a nice little short. Probably what we should have gotten. Okay. Again, we're either going to get a long, a short, or we're going to get a neutral signal. And those neutral signals are just as important. Ideally, I would like a neutral signal to pop up on a candle like that, a candle like this one. And I would like it to call for a short right here. New signal, short. I missed it. This is a really solid trade too. I just missed it. Can't believe that. All right. 3 points of drawdown to 30. Ooh. Oh, wow. We missed like the candle of the hour. Man. Well, that's a really good signal. Thanks, ChatGPT. I just missed it. Okay. All right, now let's see how it handles this. Part of me doesn't, I think it's going to be an aggressive short, like it's going to give me a pretty high score. And I don't know if I'm going to love that. Let's see what it does here, though. It could surprise me. 1278. Man, I just don't love that. I'm going to wait. No, I was right. Four to 20 points. I mean, that's a good signal. Missed this one. Didn't take this one. See what happens next. That was my bad. Nice. Nice, Jack. Good work. Excuse me. Okay, new signal time. Another short, but way less confident. Okay. We'll wait. Yeah, good work, Jack. That's great. Okay, so short was not the prevailing outcome that we wanted, so that's going to be a bad. Okay, now what would be cool is one seeing if this next signal was going to be right. So Jack, good luck with us today. Hey, you as well, my friend. Have a good day. Let's see how this shakes out for us. So new signal, long or short? Short still. Wow. Okay, I'll test it. I'll test it. I don't love it, but I'll test it. Okay. I just think I'm running in front of a speeding bullet here. Could I be wrong? Yeah, I think I am. Okay, we got out of that one with a pretty minimal gain there. It says short again right here. I'll sell that. I'll indulge. Okay. All right. Price is flying right now. 76 bucks. Okay. Fine. Fine. So that one was up 10, but only down 8. So it's going to need to move for it to be a positive signal here. It's going to need to make some movement. Okay, we'll call that one a bad signal. So that's no good. Short again. Man, it keeps liking shorts. And I'm just like, all right, like maybe you'll be right eventually. So let's see if we can get price to pop up. Oh, there it is. Frick. Let's see if we can get price to pop up here. That could make sense for me to go short. But this signal so far is that's pretty good. Let's see. Always want to measure the drawdown to full. So 2 to 10, to 12, to 15. Yeah, we're going to call that one a good one. Okay. That was right. It was just early on that previous candle, I guess. It was just early. All right. So let's see if we can get out of our own way here and start making some decent trades occur. 10 seconds. That's a pretty good trade. So GPT recognized this as just price pulling back a bit, but we're still going to go short. I like that a lot. We want short right here as well. Oh, missed it again. Good, great signal right there though. Price didn't even give me a shot. Price didn't give me a chance. So sell right there. 17 points. Yeah, unless price flies up to here, this is going to be a really good trade. Price needs to get up to like right there, 301. Okay. So I wonder if I can get this thing to send me notifications. So that way it would just pop up on our screen. That'd be fun. But either way, I wouldn't. There's just no way I would have been able to catch that. I would have had to guess, but okay. So price has clearly made a low here, and it's not looking to go lower. It doesn't appear. But ChatGPT says still likes to short. Go sell right there. Might have been, I might be late on this one. Might have picked the one signal that was actually ass. Let's see. This isn't looking good, is it? Let's see. Can price drop down? It can. Ooh, my stop just ever so much with it. Okay. We lost a little bit of money on that, but we lost some commissions on that essentially. Bad trade. Okay. If I waited a little bit longer, definitely could have had some decent profit there. New signal coming. Let's see what we got. Flat. We'll wait. Now this is okay. Regardless of what this candle does, this is kind of what I would like to see is price kind of making a low somewhere in this region right here. I'll split the difference of all three of these. Somewhere in this region, we're making kind of a low and we're maybe rolling back up. I could easily go long off of this and think price is done going down. It could go up. I could easily go short off of this too and think price is going to start making some new lows. So I actually don't mind that little even signal given. I don't mind that at all because we're training and we're learning, and every new signal is going to impact what we get. I'm okay with that. So solid. New signal coming. Short. Okay. I'll go sell right there then. Stop. Nice. Good. Good trade there. Probably had maybe a little bit more room on that one, but nice solid signal. So we are not done going down. Let's see. Well, let's see. Okay, now our chart knows, it sees this wick. It sees that. Yeah, okay. So let's see what we got here. That was a really good signal. If you say short, I'm not taking it. All right. I'm just not taking this short. Not that I don't believe in it. I don't think it's going to occur. All right. Let's look at our stats for today so far. Taking all these trades. 47 trades, 75% win rate, solid. We're up $347. So some of these things we certainly could, we absolutely could bring down the amount of trades we are taking. But the game is volume, and my goal is to get this thing so good that you borderline could take 80% of these trades and make money. Like that's my goal for this thing, is for it to be a high volume. If you want it to be, we can have some other things in there too, but to be really high volume and give you the chance to take a ton of trades. And ideally, those trades have a nice, like smooth consistency to them. All right, so that one wasn't great, but this next one is also short. Wow. Okay. So hold on. That one was bad. The previous one was bad. How's this one? Again, so ideally we just want to take a ton of trades that are good and then avoid the ones that are bad. But in order to know which trades are actually good or bad, we have to get a ton of trades going. So right now, where's my calculator at? I got 30 seconds. Let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10 trades per page. 10 times. No, we have 1,600 signals. Sorry, that's right there. Almost 1,700 signals so far. How is this signal working out for us? Not good. Okay, so no and no. So these are fine, like 68%, 65%, 55%. I'm good with these being incorrect because that's how it should be. These are low graded confidence scores. Those should not be correct. I'm game for that. I'm okay with that. So price is halted kind of in this range right here. It knows the high and low, that's for sure. Okay. Any trade that we do take in here is going to be a little tricky. Does OPEX give you pushback for high frequency trading? It does not. Holly, it does not. Short? Okay. I don't know if I mind this or not. Let's see. Okay, so price is testing this low, testing this high. If we get price to roll up, I'll maybe look at taking a short, but not right now. Let's see how the signal works out. Haley. Haley. I think I read that too wrong. I think it's Haley. I'm going with. No, Apex does not necessarily care about high frequency. And I can tell you guys the truth, high frequency would be like maybe 15 to 16 trades a minute. Um, like I don't think you guys understand how fast high frequency, like what that really is. Like until you've seen one of those machines work, I mean, they are just ripping trades. And honestly, at the commission levels that we have, high frequency isn't even going to be possible. Let's see if we get a new signal here. It should be a long, good. We'll take that. Let's go buy right there. Okay, put our stop somewhere down here. And let's see if we can get price to run for us. There's something good. All right, a little bit of profit there, not a ton. I think price is going to make another move here. Let's go. We'll buy that again. Let's go stop right there. And the reason for it is I just think price might have a chance of really going up here. I believe in that signal. Let's see if I was wrong to believe in it again. Yeah, I was. Whoops. That was arrogance on my end. My bad. Good trade there because it did work out. We just shouldn't have traded it twice. I tell you it's a bad trade. I miscalculated that one. My bad. That was a shitty trade, actually. I should not have marked that as good. That's fine. As long as most of these are correct, we'll be okay. Damn, that sucked. What was I thinking? All right. New signal coming. That was on me. My bad. Short. I'll take a sell right there. See if I can get my stop to move. Windy. There we go. Okay, good. Made up for that loss and then some. So good trade there. Good signal. But yeah, high frequency, like those machines at the commission rates that we pay Trade Evade or any other broker that are available to the retail public. I think it's gonna call for another short here. Let's see. Short. Okay, it's got pretty high confidence in this one. I'll go sell right there. Stop. Okay. I'm trying to put my stop at like even, but it's not moving far enough for me to do that. Will you go somewhere? Come on, bro. I mean, this thing just is stinking right now. There we go. Maybe that'll help. Small victory there, but a victory nonetheless. Um, we'll call that a bad signal. We can get a new one here and just a fresh one. 28 says short as well. No thanks on this one. I'll wait. Part of me wants to go sell right here and let price fly down, but I'll wait and just kind of let this signal go by the wayside. 72%, that shouldn't be. Let's see. So far, this is a really bad trade. 9 points to 2 points. Yeah, we'll call that a bad one. My ATR just fall off a cliff, by the way. Like, what happened to my ATR? We're at 22. That's still pretty high, but wow. New signal here. I'd be game for a long or neutral. Short again. Don't love that. Don't love that. It's a bad signal altogether because it's no good there. Okay. How are the commissions based on amount of trades? David, I don't know if you have to re-ask that question. But commissions, you can negotiate commissions with just about any broker that makes you pay for a trade. So if you trade options, there are fees for that. If you trade futures, obviously there are fees for that as well. You can typically just call the broker and say, hey, like I plan to trade 40 times a day. Can I get a lower amount, a lower commission amount? And they'll typically say, yeah. And like every brokerage firm has a, one second here. Every brokerage firm has like a schedule, what they call a commission schedule. You get a signal here. Long. I'll buy that. So stop right there. Can it hold is the question. You think I bought when I bought because this would be a really bad signal altogether. See if I can make this work. I'm thinking no, but I got a chance. Come on. New signal will be coming here. It'll probably be against me as well, which would be stupid for me to be in this trade. Oh, okay. Probably should just let price tap me out right there. All right, so it said short, and that was correct. So you're incorrect. You are correct. Nice little drawdown there. Fuck. Dave, so typically they have what's called a commission schedule. So you can typically call them and ask for a negotiated rate, and they'll bring it down. So I think I don't remember exactly how much it is per contract for a trade of 8, but let's just say it's $1.50. They might have you give you the ability to do like 80 cents or 75 cents or something like that. And so if you're a high frequency trader, like it's worth it for them because you're going to be trading a ton, and they'll do whatever they can to earn your business. So typically, now if you're trading like a prop firm, like obviously they aren't going to get negotiated commissions for the most part. And if you don't trade if you trade 5-6 times a day, you're probably not going to be able to get a negotiated commission schedule. But short right here is a signal. That doesn't look friendly. Oh, okay. I'll jump in it anyway though. Stop there. Okay. Started out as a trade that didn't look good, but it's turned into something decent. Good, we'll take the little $100 there. Okay, good. I probably had a little bit more room to go on that one if I had to guess. But yes, typically you can negotiate commissions and get them lower. So if you are a high frequency trader, have a high frequency trading bot, you do have a chance to make some real money. But at these commissions, it'd be very difficult. 9 versus, that's a positive trade. I'll call it. Okay, a couple seconds here, new signal. Short, but not confident in it. Okay. See why. So hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, typically these brokers will absolutely give you. Okay, that should have been a nice. So how much draw did I have to deal with on that one? That's a nice signal. So 8 points to 16. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, that's a really good signal. Really good signal there. Yeah. So high frequency will not be an option for us. And if I was in a funded account, I would not be taking this many trades. It doesn't make any sense to do that. Unless we're killing, then like we keep taking as many trades as we want to. The idea is to get this is day 2 of the AI, but like the idea is to get this thing to crank and be as good as possible so that short again here. I like it. I like the idea of going short. Let's see. That was our chance, I think. We need to jump over to NQ fully and just trade one. That was a good signal. Ranked. Okay. Damn, that was a good signal. So as the AI learns, we're doing a lot better than we were doing yesterday. So that's good. That's good. We're doing much better than yesterday. I think I'm going to get a really confident score here, and I'm not going to be excited about it. 72, that's better. I should have taken that. I didn't. The reason I didn't take it is I wanted to see price pull back just a little bit more. I wanted to get maybe something like this candle's wick. I didn't get it. Here's my wish now, but it already went down here, so I'll sit this one out. I'll sit that one out. I would really like to have captured some of that, but that's okay. Well, yeah, David. I mean, if you're trading futures, like if you're trading one, let me make sure I get let me get the new signal here first. And I'll touch on that. 36 is short. It's no good. So both of those are bad. And then I'll let this one play out first. But David, so if you're trading, and so the math starts to get weird when you trade above like 5 micros because the commissions are cheaper for micros, but they're not much cheaper than minis. And so I think the break even is like 3 micros is the same commission as 1 mini. And so I was trading 8. I'm essentially paying 3 times the commission. Um, I guess I can kind of show you. There's not a whole lot to show, I don't think, if it even loads. It's not loading. But the commissions are really high for micros when you start trading above like 3, 4, 5. And so that's why I just jumped to 1 full mini here. Not because I want to take more risk, but because at this point, the ATR is kind of telling me that, yeah, I mean, prices, it's a bad signal there. Let's see if we get a long here. Short. Wow. Okay. I'll take a sell right there. I don't believe in this signal at all, just to be fully transparent, but I mean, I'll see what happens. God, I don't like this one. Nope. Okay, that was really bad. Why would you give me that? All right. Well, gotta try it. Don't know until you try. That's a really solid move, though. I wonder if I can get the justification out of ChatGPT for each one of these. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's see if I can. Okay, I'm assuming a long here. Yes. Let's go buy right there. Stop here. Small victory again. I don't like that. I would love for this thing to be. I want to buy it, but I'm gonna wait. So far, it's a bad. So far, it's a bad signal because the opposite side of the trade is more profitable via points. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it turned out to be pretty good actually. Good shot. Good stuff there. 75%. I'll go buy right there. I think that's a pretty good spot. If we lose this trade, it won't be because of our entry. Man, I would love for this thing to really rip. Let's go buy again right there. See if we can get price to run for us. Oh, it's running. It's not my way. Let's see. Stupid. That was dumb. Okay. All right, note to self, no more taking two trades on the same candle or same signal. No reason to do that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Next signal. Short, I'm assuming. Okay. I mean, that thing took off. Damn, we never had a shot at that one. Never had a shot. I'll have to do some testing here to see if I can set my screen up properly to. Holy cow, what an amazing signal that is. All right. Yep. Somehow I didn't even take it. 2, 3 seconds short. Sell right there. Stop up here. Move it down. Let's get to work. Okay, good. It's trying to extend. Let's see if it can continue this. We could use a nice pump here. Here we go. This is awesome. Okay, good. Good. All right, three and change on that one. I'm sure this is going to be another short. Yep. Okay, we'll chill out on that. So good signal there. Let's see what this one turns into be. Looking like not so good right now. Um, short again. Okay, now we'll call that previous one bad. We'll call you. We'll wait and see. Be the judge. I feel like broken even today is really annoying, actually. 73% win rate on 64 trades. Pretty solid. I would prefer we had more profit, but we've had a couple bad signals, a couple mistakes on my end as well. So we'll clean that up. Buddy, I don't even know. $43. That one's actually pretty good. It didn't do a whole lot, but 44. So short again. Okay, I'll go sell right there. I don't know if I love this spot. Let's see. Awesome. Keep going. Okay. All right, we'll take that. 1044. No, we caught one of these too. I don't remember if it was. Okay. ChatGPT says short. That one was good. I don't know if I believe in you yet. Okay, I'm gonna take the opposite of what price is doing here. Let's see if it works out for me. Tight stop here, of course. Probably above that candle wick high right there. Good. Automatic profit here. Good. All right, we'll take that. Small victory, but it's above commissions. We'll take it. Bad signal. You are. Yes, that works. Okay. Neutral. I'll live with that. Every time it's neutral, it goes with the trend, and it tends to be a pretty solid trade. That's fine. Okay, new signal coming. I assume here in just a second. There it is. Hoping for a long. I would like to see you call a long here, but okay. I'll go sell right there. This is really, really aggressive. Yeah, and by aggressive I mean stupid. That's what I meant by that. Stupid. I should have ignored this one. I should have ignored the 65. Definitely should have ignored it because I would assume that we're going to get a long off of this next one. And that would have been a much more responsible trade. But you live and you learn. Like these signals, we just have to figure out what is good and what is bad. And the only way to do that is actually trade it. All right, so good stuff there. Good stuff there. Let's keep it rolling here. Let's see what we got. Michael, answer that question in just a second. I see your question. I will answer it. One moment. Long, finally a long. Okay, I'm gonna buy in pretty late on this one, so let's see if it can run for me. There, I guess. Okay, not loving my entry compared to where price is. Let's see if we can get green here. Technically a decent trade so far, but my entry was so poor. I could have waited a couple seconds and gotten something out of this. Okay, price at our stop. Let's see how long is the next trade here. And Mike, can answer your question. 1 second, Mike. We have a new signal coming here. Let's see if it can work out. 49 short. I don't love that. So I'll wait. Mike, to answer your question, why do I have so many? Because every month, basically, Apex just reactivates them. So when you buy them on the you buy the Apex evals on sale, that price stays the same, and it ends up whatever that price you bought it for stays. And so to avoid having to wait for a new Apex sale every so often, I just keep them around. Now, I never activate my Apex accounts when I pass them. Never. I don't really like Apex as much when it comes to the actual funded accounts, but I do like having the accounts available to test. So in case I blow up an account, it doesn't cost me 50 or $100. It costs me 30 or 15 or whatever I purchased it for. So that's why I keep so many, because when the month resets, so like let's say I blow up an account and I don't close it, when the month restarts, this should be a short right here if I had to guess. Um, that one was good, and this one's good so far as well. When the month resets, I just get access to a new account. So that's why I have so many. Hopefully that answers that question. Because if you keep canceling them, thanks. If you keep canceling them, you have to wait for a sale to come back around. Now you could just keep like 5 if you wanted to, but I tend to try and pass these in a day, which means if I'm going to blow one up, it might take me 2 days to do that. But that's possible. How much room do I have in this account? I've got $900 in this account as far as drawdown goes. What a fantastic trade that was! I can't believe I wasn't in that one. Fudge. These are the hardest ones. When price has no upper wick like this on a red candle, very difficult to catch. So let's see if price wants to make a new low here. I got a feeling that AI is going to call for that, and we're going to take it. So short, good. Let's go sell right there. Stop right there. Way down. Okay. Don't mind what I'm seeing so far. My stop's probably a little too close, but I'll live with that. Fudge. All right, bad signal there. We made a hard bottom here. I would like the AI to learn off of that. Made it very difficult. So it's going to call for another short, which I'm not opposed to, but would like to see it not. Let's see what we got here. Oh, flat. Now, why would you be neutral and be confident that it's neutral? That doesn't make any sense. You know what? Maybe I should start upvoting these. So if you don't know, you just tell me you don't know. We'll see. I'll work on that. I'll work on that. You're welcome, Mike. You're welcome. What I'm going to do here as well in the next hopefully day, maybe 2, is I'm going to have ChatGPT give me the reasoning for all of the trades, and then I want to see if there's like a through line between the good ones and the bad ones, like what justification is given for the good trades, and then what justification is given for the bad trades, and if there is like some sort of data that is just very difficult for ChatGPT to read, then we can eliminate it. Or if like there is something that is consistently hitting really good trades and like nailing really bad trades as far as confidence goes, then we can amplify that. Let's see. Short, 75% chance of going short. I don't like that, but let's see. AI smarter than me, but oh wait, if price pops up here, I guess I can sell that. Yeah, I'm not going to jump in front of this one. Doesn't matter what it does from here. So we're going to call that a no. 75, no. And then again, we will get rid of this. This is going to go away, and we'll just have the amount of long. Well, I think we'll just do longs versus shorts so we can get an idea of what is working and what isn't, or what kind of the market's up to. Speaking of, what is the market up to today overall? Mildly down. Bitcoin's up a little bit. How my treasury's doing? The 1 year's at 4. That's interesting. And it dips below 3. That could be cool. All right, new signal here. Hopefully we get a long. That'd be nice. Okay, good. We'll buy right there. Oh, probably a step late. Let's see if we can get price to run for us. Oh, you're kidding. That stinks. Good signal, trailed it way too tight, and we got burned. Damn it. Let's see what price wants to do here. Long again. That I can buy into. There we go. Small victory, but a victory. Oh, we trailed it too tightly again. Price is moving really fast, and so I'm not sure how I want to trail these. And this is going to be another piece like as we get the scores, we get more confidence in the scores, and the scores change. So we're not going to have the same signals every single day. We will have better and worse because the AI will get smarter and just learn from its repetitions. But one of the things that I have to work on is knowing how to trail these and giving them enough space. We give this one enough space, boom, we make probably $200-300. Same thing here. We have a chance to make a solid amount of money. So 21 feels like it's tiny compared to what we've been seeing. So probably another long if I had to guess here. Flat. Okay. I'll upvote it. Okay. I'll wait. That's fine. That is totally fine. So all we really have to work on is getting, let's see. Try to work on getting some of our wins to be a little bit larger and our losses to be a little smaller. The losses aren't that bad because all we really have to do is just find the right spot. A lot of the trades look something like this. So it's like if we were in this trade, we would just slide. We just need to work on sliding this up and up and up. It's pretty rare that price would dip like this and then run. That's pretty rare. So we would have price just trailing, 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 and then we'd be out of the trade at whatever level. So 8 seconds here. I got price threatening to go higher than this 280 level. Let's see what it wants to do. 57. Long. Buy right there. My stop up here. Roll it up to there. Okay, what are our odds here of getting this thing to be successful? Ooh, I thought it was gonna be slick. Oh, we don't have much space in this one. $500. Okay. Oh. Well, shit. All right. And then what I can also do, I guess, is once we get, it's probably be a couple days for that, I guess. I'll also be able to test. Oh, what the heck is this? Long? Yeah. Go buy one right there. Made some money on that. Not enough, but some. Damn, had we waited out that volatility a bit, we could have been up like $1,000. Fuck. What in the world? Something happened. I don't know what it was, but something happened. Well, ChatGPT was right. I was only able to take advantage of a little bit of that. Give this one a little bit of room. I might blow up this account if I do this, but I want to see if we can hold and get price to run up here. See if price can go with the momentum. Close. We're gonna get, yeah, we get closed out of this one. I don't think we have any room left. $84. We're out. Okay. Well, blow up that account too. Shit. All right. So good, not good. We have to do a better job at recognizing that right there. Like this nonsense. Let's flip over to, and then Mike, another reason you have a lot of accounts is you can just flip over and do a new one. So easy peasy. Okay, so I'm gonna upvote that actually. And we'll wait and watch and see. I don't know why price erupted like that though. That was sick. So oh, how fun. We got blown out of this trade here. It pulled back 16 points, ended up moving up 59 points. And then we were part of this trade, but didn't give it enough room at all. And that ended up being at 64 points. And then we got out on this one because we just didn't have enough room. And then this one takes off and we have, fuck, how annoying. We should have been crushing all of these. The AI did its job, kind of. This one was a bad trade, called out. And then this one was not great at the beginning, but I mean, how much? I mean, ATR's off the charts. Can't even read that. How much I want to believe in to give it 20 points of movement? That's just tough. That's hard to do. I don't give a fuck who you are. That's tough. All right. So AI says long again, but with not as much confidence. So if we get a pullback, maybe we can go and do something with it. Price is sitting at view app right around here, so I'm cool with that. Long right there. Stop. And then let's see what we have here. Big ATR. We should really be trading micros, but it's all right. If price rolls back up close to my even, I'm going to trail it like we're winning. Yeah, right there. Because there's no point in being in, damn, that's a big loss. 3 something. There's no point in being in this trade if it's just going to keep drowning or going down. So that's a negative signal or negative score there. Just got that signal, didn't we? Okay, short. Wow. Okay, that's aggressive. Hmm. All right. So we got some work to do, that's for sure. We got punched out of that one. That was tough. That was tough. This is actually a decent trade though. This signal is. Uh, open. That was 20 points to, yeah, that's a really good signal. Good. Should get a new trade here in a couple seconds. 3, 2, 1. Short. This is this is gonna be interesting because I don't know if I believe in this, but I'm gonna take the trade though anyway. Okay. Okay, good. So that one ended up being pretty solid there too. I don't remember how much that was. I mean, 1 for 2 or 1 for 3? One for two, $400. All right, we'll take that. New signal coming here. Flat, upvote. I don't mind our flats. Okay with that. Let's see. Although this one probably is best off as a short. All right. So we got some work to do. So what we're gonna do is in the next couple days, and we really so we're probably a week at today away from doing more machine learning. So taking what ChatGPT gives us, which is fine, which is okay, and moving it to a completely different model, our own model, where we can use our previous data to get signals and get better signals and have those signals be improved. So right now what we're doing is kind of like the beta version. So this is, I would call it version 2. Version 1 was yesterday, which was like kind of a skeleton. Like it wasn't really, it was okay. Our signals were all over the place. Today they were a little better, believe it or not. But we're still not all the way to where we want to be just yet. All right, new signal here, short. I'll go sell right there. Probably maybe a little early, but it's okay. Okay, went to previous candle open. Not enough space, probably, but I'll call that one a negative. And we'll wait. You never know what could happen here. So what's next is I'll get reasoning. So I'll get like ChatGPT will send me the reasoning for each trade. So like why it went neutral on that previous candle, even though it was a better short. Why it signaled a short on this one instead of being a long. We'll get that information, and then I'm assuming there's going to be probably 2 to 3 pieces of data that are present every time there's a win or every time there's a loss. So it likes a long right here. That's good. Let's see what this candle wants to do first, though. Okay, I like the long, so I'm gonna take that. I want to move to even, but I also want to capture a decent chunk of this move here. Right above even, about a point. Nice. Good. Good trade there as well. Good stuff, ChatGPT. Really good stuff there. Okay, new signal, long again. Buy it again. Holy cow. Another good trade there. Good. Now we're heating up a little bit. Good stuff there. So exciting, exciting, exciting times. But again, I'll have plenty of time over the weekend to new signal here as a long. We'll do it again. We'll do the same song and dance. Move our stop up here. Let's see if price can run its course for us. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, super wiki, but so a lot of the stuff is trade management here. Let's see. Okay, new signal coming. If we get a short, I'd be very interested in that, just to see how it works out. Long, but not confident. Okay, let's see what we got. So the next couple days, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, and then maybe next Monday as well, we'll continue to take a shit ton of trades. Like we'll just take a ton of trades. Because it's the only way that we're going to learn, the only way that we're going to get better, the only way that we're going to give this machine enough feedback so that it can be effective. And so we'll keep it rolling. Now we should be getting better at all of this. That's a hell of a trade. So long again, but not confident. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, with a non-confident score, this is what I expect. So it's still incorrect. It should have been a short, but that's the type of trade that I'd want to see right there. If it's going to be a trade with low confidence, that's what I want to see. Now, what does GPT want to give me next? Short. I like that. I've been waiting on a short, probably for the wrong reasons, but let's just see if I can be correct on this at all. Close. Small victory, if at all, honestly. No. Did it give me a loss on that one? I don't know. All right. Let's crank up our risk. Let's go like one or two more trades and then we'll call it a day here. So let's see. So this one, honestly was pretty good. Wait, did I go long off of that? What did I do? Did I click the wrong button? I don't remember. What do you think? Long? I'll wait. Oh wait. We'll get another maybe trade or two, and then we'll call it. But we'll choke up on our risk, so we'll take a big trade and we'll just see what happens. Finish with a nice little boom. We'll see what happens here. Try to go for 800 to 900 bucks. Either kind of see it the way either we make $1,000, we blow up the account. It's kind of how I'm seeing it here. Let's see what happens. Okay. And new signal. Okay, not confident. So that was a long. So I'll give you a good score. Market is bad. I'll just mark it that way. It's fun. Ooh, yeah, that was bad because price erupted on us. All right, now when we get to VWAP, I know our machine's going to want to go with a long on this, and I don't want to go on a long. So let's see what it calls for here. Let's see how price reacts, and then maybe we can take a trade. I don't know. To go long off of this straight at VWAP would just be like reckless. Let's see. Okay. Once along. Okay. Hello. Okay, I don't know what happened. I'm gonna just click something really, really fast. Okay, so it is working. It's a terrible trade. This is exactly what I anticipated at VWAP anyway. Let's go stick to my word. Let's go back to that 2 contracts, and not 21 though. Let's see. So again, going long straight at VWAP just isn't the smartest of moves. But let's see if we get a short here or if it gives us another long. Okay, so short, good. Let's go sell right there. Stop up here. We'll just trail it and see what happens. Can price make a move and run down, or there's something? Small victory again, not a whole lot. So we'll call that one incorrect as well. Okay, new signal here. All right, so price didn't want to go down, but what does the AI think? Long. I don't know about that. Fuck it, we'll take it. Let's go. All right, so my stop in here. It's right there. We're in 2 contracts. Our P&L is going to look crazy either way. $100. Like we were like, oh, that was what I was looking for. Damn. Missed it, but good trade. Damn. Now that's why you use a trail, because price was up here at 90 and now it's sitting at 11 points deeper. That's why you use a trail. But damn, had I given my trail just a smidge more, we would have had ourselves a nice little move. All right, let's see what price wants to do again at VWAP. We got punched down last time. Let's see. Long, but low faith. Oh, wait. No, that's in the wrong spot. I'm going to say, I'm not going to buy another 2. I'm trying to like get a nice explosive move, but we are just not getting that. Now, long off of that, this is a 50-50 one. So typically if it's 50-50, we call it bad, but 8 points there versus 10, 12. It's a good signal. It's a good signal. Okay. Let's keep it rolling here. New signal in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's going to call for a long, and I'm not going to love it. All right, here we go. Stop. I'm not moving that stop until I see price run. Wow. Okay, good. 400 bucks there or so. Continue to get out of these really good trades just a tad bit too soon. Another long opportunity for us. Let's go buy right there again. Stop down here. Let's see if price can run. Okay, we did. So a little bit of profit there. I keep giving some of these moves just way too much. I'm way too tight. And if I was a little bit looser, like pause, but like if I was a little like looser with these, I would definitely have had some more profit. So that is no fun. Again, let's see what we got. So that's 19. That signal sucked. No, sir. No good. Let's keep it rolling. 10 more seconds. Now we're at VWAP, and this is just nonsense. I could see we last time we did this, price rose back up. So let's see what the AI thinks on this one. This could be a let's sit it out kind of trade. I think this is short. All right, I'll believe in you. Fine. Stop. Wow. Okay. Out of that one, we had a chance to make more money on that, but that's fine. It said short. I don't know if I love that, but let's see. So from open to top, that's 10. This is 10. That's 11, so that's a bad signal. But I like the shot though. Thanks for giving me the chance. Had I clicked my button a little sooner, we could have made more money on that trade, but it just wasn't in the cards for us. Okay, so it got confused a little bit, but not by much. Okay, I know we're gonna get a long here. The question is, how confident are we gonna be in this long? Not confident at all. So maybe we sit this one out. Let's see. Got 19 of you guys still watching. I really appreciate that. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like the live stream, subscribe if you're new around here. We're going to be scalping like crazy the next few days as well. So we'll be, oh, okay, OpenAI. Good call, but like, oh, I hit incorrect. Whoops. That's fine. That's a hell of a trade. That was stupid, by the way. In the back end, I can reverse some of these, but that was stupid. Okay, well, what do you have for me now? Because price just ran up like that. It's pulling back crazy. What do you got for me? 22 says long. There it is. We're not able to be a part of that. Now, if price pulls back, maybe, but like if price pulls back after running up to this level again, like do we really want to be in that position? I'm going to say no. So we'll wait. We can look at our stats here. I've been trying to close this account out, but we're right above 50% right now. Our best trade being 400 bucks, our worst trade being 300 bucks. Max run up was 1,000. I don't know if that's true. How much room do I have in this account? I got more than $1,000. Okay, I have 1,400 bucks. So we're chilling. Okay. The next signal should be coming here pretty shortly. Oh, wow. Awesome, 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 awesome trade there. Good call. Both of these are good calls. Price is skying. Okay. Long again or what? Long, good. Let's go buy right there. Hit the stop. Nice. That's 400 bucks as well, or just shy. Really nice. So good signal there. Now price did run up here. made a nice high and then it pulled back into negative land. So that thing moved up 9 points, moved down 5. We're going to call that one a good trade. So yes, and let's see what the next candle wants to give us, our next signal. So a long again, but not as confident. Wow, okay, price is really rolling down here. I'll take a long off of this really quick. I don't want to buy stop. I need a sell stop. Wow, can't believe that got to profit. Wow, can't believe we made money on that. That's crazy. That was a really bad trade. Nope, not good at all. It's a really bad one. Let's see what price wants to do here. What does AI think? ChatGPT think on this next one? Short. I don't know, buddy. I'll believe in you, but I don't trust it. Yeah, we're out. Okay, lost 300 bucks on that one. Okay. Okay. All right. So price is really rolling here. Let's see what this candle does. Let's choke up on our contracts here, and let's just end this eval, good or bad. We'll try to either pass this eval right here, or we will blow it all right here, and we'll revamp for tomorrow. 26 says short. I missed it. So we're gonna have to wait. Now where is price on the next to VWAP? We're pretty far extended from VWAP, but that's a hell of a signal. That's good no matter what. Wow, we're pretty far away, but we're threatening, huh? 30 points. That's actually not that bad. Damn. Okay. So some of the signals come in so fast that we don't have a chance to react to them. That's okay. Like that will happen. For the most part, that is not the case, but it can happen. So I'm not uber worried about that. Yeah, leave the site. Okay. I think ChatGPT is going to give me a long here or a short, and I won't like it. Okay, new signal coming. Short. Yeah, I don't like it. So I'm going to wait. And again, we're going to jack this account, and we're either going to pass this eval or we're going to blow it. And but we're going to do it on I won't try to do it one trade. Okay, it's a short, so we'll wait. 26. So we're 60% win rate, 22 trades. Largest loss is 310. Largest win was 400 bucks, so that's good. Not a whole lot of drawdown here, really. We're down 316, battle back to up 1,000. Now we're up 727. So let's see what we can get. Price is kind of halted here, which means that we're going to get a trade that will move pretty quick, both directions, if I had to guess. And so we want to be A, on the right side of that trade, but B, like pretty quick with our stop, making sure that we're in the right spots here. So I'm thinking long, but let's see what GPT says. 27, that's a bad trade. 20, short? I don't believe in you, brother. I'm not going to risk my account on that. No, and yeah, what the hell? Why would you go short right there? That's an obvious long. So like a trade like this, what I need is in the next, I don't know, day or two, like I'm gonna have a back end that will just be for me. I won't even share that to you guys. But it'll have the reasoning, like why did it say short right here? What was it seeing? What price action? What price patterns? What indicators? Like what was it that said we should go short off of this instead of going long? Because had we would have forfeited open to top 16, 14, 15 points. And so let's see. No. And I just don't know if I'm confident in doing that consistently. So nothing here. So we'll call that one. We'll wait. Done for the day. Up. Nice. Nice. 16. There you go, one eye. Good work. Oops. Great work. That's awesome to hear. Keep going, Beast. Keep going. Great. All right. Setting up for a new signal here, I think. How much time do we have for that? 20 seconds. All right. I mean, a long makes a ton of sense to me. I see why we could maybe look at a short because price is just kind of trying, and maybe we're off looking for a reverse. But I would like to see a long. I would believe in that a lot more than a short. Let's see. Next signal, 30, says a little delayed, huh? I'm waiting. This doesn't happen often, but sometimes the signals come in 7, 8 seconds late. So not a whole lot I can do with this one at this point. I would like to go long. I think that's the right move. And I don't think I would have had a chance to get into this trade either way. So not a huge deal for me. But I know if you guys trade differently than I do, you might be upset. But 8-second delay on that, or 15-second delay on that. Not great. But how does the trade look is the question. Right now there's no drawdown. So I know why this is unsettling to GPT, like all these upper wicks. But that is a good signal, though. That thing is not going to crash in the next 5 seconds. Okay, next signal says short. Okay. I'll punch sell right here. I don't know. Yeah, I was going to say, I don't know that I love this spot, but let's see. Okay, we got punched out of that one. Okay, we got maybe one more trade in this then, since we bad signal. Why are you so confident? So I want to know, like, why are you so confident that that was going to go down? What was the unless now unless it says it was going to go down a few points, like 4 points, that's a different conversation. But damn, that's like much better as a long. So I'm curious if it says, I think price is going to get down to 444. Okay, that's terrible. But if it said price is going to get down to 460, that's not as bad of an idea. We'd only be like 6 points away. So I just want to know, like, what is the motivation for some of these signals, and then we can edit out what is good and what is bad. Okay, long, and it's not as confident. I'll take this one though. All right, so let's move our stop here. Okay, let's just see if price can run for us. Right above the open. Price hits it, of course. Again, I want to get just a massive trade. Win or loss, I really don't even care. But I want to just get one big old trade, but we don't have the price action yet to get that done. But price is nice and slopey. That's good. We have a green market. That's good. My 1 year is still down, almost under 4. That'd be crazy. Okay, so it's a bad signal all the way around. 4, 3, 2, 1. New signal should be coming in just about a second. Short with confidence. Okay, I'll sell it. I'll sell it. And the reason I'm selling it is because you tried this before, and maybe you were just early. Let's see how early you were. Nope. How much room do I have left in this? I think that's it. I even blew up the account. Okay. So tough one there. I see why it would have gone short. We kind of have this like overbought formation, but that just isn't what price is calling for right now. Or maybe it was. Maybe I just went too heavy. Let's see. Let's wait for this candle. Yeah, no. So nothing really shaking here. Tough one right there. But okay. All right, well, solid day. A lot to have gleaned from. So moving forward, tomorrow we'll do the same exact thing. We'll have the same exact signals. They'll be about the same, maybe a little better. We'll see with some of the learning it can do. I gotta mark that signal as bad though. Okay. I think that was maybe the candle that I thought I was gonna get, but it's okay. So got some learning to do, some good stuff going. We'll see. And then I think Friday, we'll see if I have some reasoning built in. And then what I can do with that reasoning is I've got maybe 15 or 16 different parameters as to why or what I give ChatGPT to give me the signals it's given me. And to tell you the truth, this signal is actually really good. This signal was just early. And so it's like, all right, this one's early, but this one's on time. So some of this, like what are you seeing that's telling you that price might be ready to come down? And then what additional info can I give you or info can I take away to make these trades a little bit more efficient so that we do get maybe a neutral here, but then this sell we have more confidence in than 70%. So we'll keep playing with it, but really excited about this. We'll plug in machine learning next week, and then we'll really have a machine that is cranking and learning from what it's doing all day. So really excited about that. Good day today. I will see you guys tomorrow. If you have questions, let me know in the shoot me a DM or you shoot me an email or maybe put it in the comments. I'll get to it. You guys have a good one. I will see y'all. Peace.